Today we're going to go through a cable exercise for your arms and biceps, so get those arms nice and toned. Now first things first, whenever I've seen people do cable curls, very often you'll find people will use one of these, a straight bar. Now the issue I have with a straight bar is it's not great for elbow positioning. If you're not very mobile in your shoulders and you tend to have quite a rounded posture from work, desk, typing, you'll find this is a very uncomfortable position because it's quite narrow and most of us can't get our elbows tucked in whilst keeping your shoulders in a correct position. So we're going to get rid of this, and what I'm actually going to ask you to use instead is an easy bar. So you'll find the width is much wider, it's a much more natural grip, and it's easier to get the elbows tucked in into a neutral position. So easy bar, I'm going to attach it from the low end of a cable. From here, set yourself up position wise, so feet shoulder width apart, relatively upright, little bend in the knees, and you've got this full extension of your elbows at the bottom. The elbows are going to stay tucked in and stay still, and from there we just drive up through the elbow flexion and open and lower to full extension of the elbows. Drive up, extension, so you've got this fully lengthened range of the bicep at the bottom, and then as it comes up we've got fully contracted range.